We are so back. We are just about to get a lift to the airport. And me and Lauren are gonna go to London for a festival. We were gonna go see Youngleen and Bladee. So excited, and we're gonna hang out with Neely as well. So we're just about to head. Check that. This is such a lucky sign. Yeah! Oh, this is so exciting. We're at the airport now. We're just gonna have a cheeky little steak because we're here quite early and our flight keeps getting delayed by like 10, 15, 30 minutes. Which are really annoying because we've already sorted our bus. So every time they delay, I keep having to change the bus, which I keep having to pay for. But it's fine. We'll just fingers crossed. Also, did my nails. The Youngling nails. Ooh. Very swag.
POV. Oh, washes your nails?
Oh, so it does. Swagger.
Wait.
The strawberry cigarette. Oh, where'd you get them?
Not telling.
We're at the airport. We're just gonna go get a coffee from Costa because we still got a good few hours to chill before we gotta go through security. We made it through security. They didn't find our drugs. We got our coffees in the end. We got caramel iced latte. She got the same but not iced. And a little cookie. I got a blueberry muffin. I'm so hungry. Thank you. She's absolutely gutted that we had to pay £2 to have this cigarette.
You've got to pay £2
Yeah.
to have a cigarette.
This is the most expensive cigarette I've ever paid for.
Yeah.
Aberdeen Airport, you fucking scam. Shocking. Human. So our flight is delayed until at least like 9:30, 10-ish. But they keep delaying it, so we're chilling on the floor, but some kid keeps playing music over and over again. We're already so overstimulated. Currently, what time is that? Like 10 to 10? Our flight is... Oh yeah! Our flight is here, so we should be able to actually get on it soon. Thank fuck it wasn't cancelled. But we've got to change the bus as well, which I'm gonna have to pay for. I hate EasyJet. But we should get it up on midnight, so at least we're gonna make it. Finally came! The flight came! Off we go! I'm so excited! We made it! We're there! We're just at the box. I'm absolutely dying for a pee though. I also met some nice boy in the airport, so we were just yapping on the plane, which then by the time we were done yapping, there was like 20 minutes till we landed, so it's kind of perfect. Successfully made it on the bus. We got like 40 minutes to go on our journey, and then we'll be there.
Golders green, gobblers green.
Granny's crib. We're gonna go smoke. Smoke spot. This is so cute. I nearly fell on ours. Cheers, first drink of the night. It's like 2 a.m. in London.
I think we're split screen almost.
I was actually really tripping. Wait. Why is it like this is so exciting.
They're finally in London.
About freaking time. We're awake. It's like 10 p.m. 10 a.m. We're just waiting downstairs for a ciggy. And we're gonna start getting ready. We just got ready for the gig. We're gonna go get some food as well.
Oh, you guys didn't put your sun cream on. Naughty.
I still need to put mine on. So we've left. We're away to go hunt down a bagel place, get some breakfast. Bagels for breakfast!
Bakes.
I'm gonna, I think, get the tube and just head over to the park. We we can't get our bags because the bagel place is shut. So we're gonna go hunt down some other food. Oh my god, that watermelon is fucking huge. Nearly got chicken Caesar. This looks insane. Here we go. Looking like a princess. I'm still sweating. Finally off the tube. I was literally near falling asleep because there was so many stops. And it was so hot as well. And then I just had to go up about like 7 million flights of stairs. I'm dying. We made it to the park. Young, lean, and Blade, here we come. That bus was the hottest, but yeah, exactly. That bus was the hottest bus I've ever been on in my life. I'm gonna locate that entrance right now. I just hear doof doof. Buzzball. It's fucking huge. We're still walking. We should have got a bike. Fuck. Get in. Holy shit. It's massive. I'm on board. Stages. We're in here. What do you mean we're here? It's massive as well. Holy shit. This is so exciting. Plus, I think that might be the boiler room tent. Yeah, that's boiler room tent. We're trying to find the main stage just now. I think that might be over here. That's good look because you can stand up there as well. Wow! Holy shit! Fucking fountain everywhere. This is. I think we're going to Teletech. This bit seems like a lot better over here just now. Holy shit! How fucking mental it is. It's massive. There's Teletech. That's the main stage. We're face to face. I'm over there face to face. I can't remember what else there is. This is insane. Got a wee smoke. Kush from Afghanistan. We're in such like basically like this is just another level. Like more in real life. It feels like we're on like mushrooms, but we're not even on mushrooms.
Like if you have like a 35mm camera right now.
Like capture that. And the video, trust me, does not even like capture the vibe right now. And the sun is like shining, it's like 25 degrees. It's fucking beautiful. Like
There's like just so much beauty in the world. So my heart can't take it.
Oh my god, I know. How are people like dancing in this heat? I don't understand. Well, we're just gonna go get some food. We're kind of hungry. We need something to keep us going, I'll be real. What we got? Burger, some chips. This is our view.
this shit for us, this shit for us. Pressure made the mind. Please know we're wrong, so there's no rush. Money, sex, love, blood rush. Just how to sleep, it's a vanity. Do not agree, just how to see. Being weak, too clean for me. Felt the shabby down. Coffee and protection, I'm so weak and I live down. Before defeat, push flesh. She's a bullshit, make it hit. I gotta kill, I gotta carry out the mission. Do the killing, I wanna kill everything. Be nothing, wanna kill everything. Just like Chucky, the boy's lucky. The sharks on me shine lucky. I want nothing tonight. Something I'm blind. Want blood on me, blood money. But don't worry, I'm clean, but my heart's steady. I just slept for a week, I can't sleep. I'm having anxiety. Can't breathe, bad feeling, oh bad feeling, it's screaming. Backstab you out of nowhere, you're surprised. God damn you little shit when you're so high. And God damn, I wonder why am I alive. I give myself to the red line.
The gig is done. I have so much dust and shit up my nose every time I blow my nose. But it's literally black. But we have no tissues. I'm like fucking ass. I'm so tired. I'm losing the will to live, man. And this hoodie that I'm wearing, obviously I have a bikini top on underneath. This hoodie, we're using it to sit on the grass, so there's like wood splinters all in it. And they keep jabbing me. And I need to shower and I need my bed. It's like 5 past midnight. We're still here figuring out an Uber because we are dying and we need beds. The joys. Update, our Uber cancelled on us, even though the Uber is £40 and we booked it. They cancelled it. So we're trying to book it again. But it's gonna take fucking ages and it's already like 12:30. By the time we get back, it's gonna be like 1:30. I'm basically waiting on an Uber. There's this fucking dodgy man that keeps like following us and like coming too close to us. Oh my god, he's crossing the road. Bruh, we had a driver on the way. Now they've cancelled the driver, so now we're stuck again. And there's a creepy man, and it's like 1:45 now. And bearing in mind we've been here literally as soon as we got out of the festival, so like over 2 hours. That's fucking ridiculous. Update, we ended up eventually making it back. We're just having some scran, but it's fucking freezing. And I showered, thank god, I feel so much better. That's so Raven. We are just getting ready right now. We're gonna head to Shrek's Adventure. That's our plan for the day. We also wanna see what Jim Skin's up to and maybe see if we can find Jim Skin, but that would just be too unreal if that happened all in the same vlog, seeing Young Lena and Jim Skin. But you never know. So we're just gonna head to get the tube and then go see Shrek. We finally just got off the tube. Holy shit, it was so hot. And now we're on our way to Shrek. She's so excited. It's absolute chaos around here.
You got one?
I went, but until she said ew, and it's like actually.
No, well, like, it could be nice, but.
Slimy sausage.
Right. Right, switch over we go.
Us?
For the vlog. It's mental. But we're beside like the Thames and shit, I guess. I swear Everyone's getting pictures. I see the dungeons. We were also gonna go to the dungeons, but we just don't think we'll have time today. So we'll be back soon and we'll go to the dungeons. I see Shrek. Shrek. Oh, look at that. Holy shit. It's so hot today. Oh my god, in we go. I'm so fucking excited. We're gonna see Shrek. I don't think we're allowed to film in Shrek, so this is us before Shrek. Oh my god. Oh. And you go. Oh my god. We just finished. I know. Right, we just finished track. What'd you think?
Yes, it was
like so magical. It was unreal. We are out. Why? I don't know what my camera is so far.
It's very model.
We took a little picture in the photo booth. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Best picture ever.
That was so much fun. That
Best
was so
adventure
worth
ever.
it. 100% worth it. I think as well, we were with a good group of people. They were kind of, like quite funny as well. Michael Jackson. We're gonna go try find some food as our plan. Oh my god.
Trying to chocolate.
Woo! Oh my god, there's like a little fun fair.
You guys want to go on it?
Imagine. I've not been in one of them in years as well. It'll be like, yeah, that's 40 quid for 2 minutes.
When I looked on my phone, it said to just go straight.
We're trying to find Macca's right now. Got our Macca's. I'm so unbelievably full. We're just gonna go chill now. We're back to our PJ zone. We're gonna go just chill outside for a little bit. Munch, squirrel, stand with the girls and ours. It is currently 3:20 in the morning. I'm being quiet so I don't wake her housemates. We just had a little nap for a couple of hours. But now we are up. We gotta go to the airport since our flight is at 7. But Nelia is coming back with us, so that should be exciting. I'm so tired as well, but it's so nice to go back home. We're at the airport just now, waiting for our flight, but that's probably the end of the vlog because it's 4 in the morning and I'm so tired, I can't be asked anymore. So until the next vlog.